Alright, you read the video topic, problem with OnePlus 3 and 3T. You might be watching this video, then definitely you must have that device. And you may be thinking, no, there is no problem. I'm using that device from so long time and I'm watching my videos on my channel. I'm posting many videos on the 3 and 3T. There is no such problem I mentioned, but what happened today? So that's it guys, we are going to discuss today. And to prove it, there is some problem or it can give a lot of problem, so you guys have to help me out and you have to comment me, you have to share something else that I will tell you guys later on my Twitter at the GI support, or you can even post on the Facebook page so that I can tweet OnePlus India, OnePlus official, to have a look on this thing. So what is the problem? So first is, let me show you, this is OnePlus 3. All right, and here is the my solid explorer. I will show you guys something. And before to that guys, I did mention that sometime when I was trying to root my OnePlus 3T, I had some problem when I was installing some open beta 1, I guess. So I had some problem, and when I was showing you some Pokemon Go demo, I had some problems. So a lot of problems happens, mainly because when I go to the TURP and when I try to flash some zip file, I get some issues like a root storage is always filled, device storage is filled. So that is what happened, and this is OnePlus 3 recently resetted. And also I will show you guys all of my devices, whatever I'm using, they are connected to the same account. So 99% apps are mostly common until unless I install something explicitly. So take a look here. Let me just adjust the brightness here first. Connected to Wi-Fi. This is Solid Explorer, and as you can see, I'm just showing you the root storage of this device. This is here 2.6 gigabytes used out of 2.80 gigabytes. Alright, so this is about the OnePlus 3. Now let me show you OnePlus 3T. This is OnePlus 3T. I had the same browser here. So 204.77 MBs free. So it's kind of same if you say 2.6 gigabytes used out of 2.80, because if I just install something else, it will show you in MBs, right? So this is about the two devices. Now let me show you something on else. I will show you three brand devices. This is Nexus 6 made by Motorola, one of my favorite device in terms of display and the speaker and the other things. I'm just going to my Solid Explorer. I will show you the root storage. Now I will tell you before the storage of the root, if you are not familiar with the Linux, whenever you had a Linux device with some fixed amount of storage, say 32 gigabytes, so every storage is partitioned because roots needs something particularly, and it is manufacturer's responsibility to decide how much storage to give for the root. It's not like Android itself decide. It is limited. Whenever you design create an operating system or you install any ROM, it is the manufacturer's responsibility, that is the ROM's creator responsibility to give that much storage. Because I have installed Linux a lot of times on my computer, and it's same kind of stuff, how much you want to give to storage to use as a root. So this is what is here. So you can see 1.9 gigabytes is allocated for the root, and free is 461, and this is also rooted. I have the same set of application, 461 MB free, compared to the what we have here 2.8 gigabytes and 204 is free. Now whenever I root any device, I mostly install some common stuff. As you can see, I had only TURP manager installed, Super SU installed, and official TURP installed. There is no such root apps because mostly I install Expose, but Expose is not compatible with the Nougat, so I am not installing. And I had the same set of applications here. This is rooted device, and if I go here, I have TURP manager, I have Super SU, and root checker basic, and official TURP, and root checker basic also is here. Let me show you OnePlus 3. This is not rooted. Indeed, it is showing the same amount of storage. I have TURP manager, I have no Super SU, no root checker basic, just TURP installed as a root application, nothing else. Alright, now let me show you some other device. I had one, the Google Pixel XL. I want to show you something here. I'm going to Solid Explorer and just showing you here. So you can see 1.91 gigabytes is allocated to root, and free is 422 MB. So it's kind of same here because both are running the stock Android. So I guess stock Android has something is designed. It doesn't matter, since this is 128 gigabytes model, this is just 32 gigabytes. You can see root storage is fixed because stock has some limited kind of design that way. So it has 272 MB free. Now let me show you the storage of my Nexus 6P. So this is my Nexus 6P on the black color. I'm just going to same Solid Explorer, and it is built by Huawei. So let's see. and it also has say 2.86 gigabytes. So Huawei has given something more storage, so that's curious. I mean, on 3T I do have the same 2.86 gigabytes here compared to what we have here, 2.8, just a 60 MB difference. Still it has managed to get 315 MB. And even I have installed a lot of routing application. You can see I have modified a lot of this style screenshot storage. These all are, need root permission. And going inside, I do have here network manager, same. So press U, root checker basic. Ringtone modes needs root permission. I have installed via zip here. So fingerprint scan also needs root access to work properly. So I got 2-3 extra set of application. And going inside further, if I click edit, I have something here like weather tile. You can see these are needs root. I have just flashed them. So you have seen how much storage do I have here. Now what are the problems you may get when you have such a low storage? So when you move below to the 100 MB, so what happens, sometimes say you're flashing exposed. So it may happen when you try to reboot, it won't boot, because I had the same issue once when I tried to flash exposed. When it was in Marshmallow, it was not installing. I got a lot of errors like disk space is full. And if you guys remember, I did have shown you a lot of time backs, like I had some issues in storage. I'm still figuring out. I have many comments too, but anyway, I need to just reset. Something else happened, so I just missed that video to post. So that's what these kinds of problem happen. So I think OnePlus really has to do something to fix this issue, because this is very major issues. Even though if you have 64 gigabyte storage available, you are not able to do a lot of stuff. So maybe if you have something like what we have in my Nexus 6P, to get at least more than 300 MBs, you can see 2.86 gigabytes is there. Still it has managed to get a lot of space. So OnePlus 3, OnePlus 3T has to be changed according to that way. Now if you guys have OnePlus 3 devices, if you have rooted, non-rooted, so do share me. Just install any application, preferably install Solid Explorer. Go to the setting, there is an option, even your device is not rooted, you can click on show root storage, it will show you. All right, so please post me other information, and if I have a lot of information, if you have got some kind of problem, do put me know, like I face this kind of problem when starting to stall, I get like insufficient space storage, or system space is low, whatever you might have heard. So let me know. I will try to post that Twitter on OnePlus. So that's it guys, I hope you guys understand what I want to show. If you think this is really a genuine problem, so give me a thumbs up, otherwise you can give it a dislike. This is Saurabh. I'll catch you next video. Have a great day.